Myths of second wave of COVID-19. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Wise Nest. India was facing a rapidly growing second wave of COVID-19 cases, and as the cases were increasing, the myths around the coronavirus infection were also booming. In this video, let's burst the myths which have surrounded the general population and know the real facts of second wave of COVID-19. Myth number 1. Mineral and vitamin supplements can cure coronavirus infection. Fact. Micronutrients such as vitamin C, D and zinc are essential for a healthy immune system, and it plays an important role in promoting good health and nutritional well-being. There is no guidance that taking micronutrient supplements cures COVID-19. A strong immunity will help to reduce the risk of getting infected. Myth number 2. Alcohol consumption prevents COVID-19 infection. Fact. There is no medical evidence that drinking alcohol can protect you from coronavirus infection. In fact, excess alcohol can weaken your immunity and increase the risk of health problems such as liver disorders. Myth number 3. Steam inhalation can kill the coronavirus. Fact. Steam inhalation will not kill the coronavirus but gives relief from its symptoms and reduces its viral load. It reduces the congestion in the airways and helps to regulate normal breathing. Myth number 4. A person should wear a mask while exercising. Fact. Wearing a mask is important in the current situation, but people should not wear masks while exercising, as it can reduce the ability to breathe comfortably. Also, workouts can cause sweating, making the mask wet, which can promote the growth of microorganisms. The important preventive measure during exercise is to maintain at least 1 meter physical distance from others. Myth number 5. Water or swimming can transmit the COVID-19 virus. Fact. Water or swimming does not transmit the coronavirus. The virus spreads when someone infected is in close contact with you. Firstly, avoid crowds and maintain at least 1 meter distance from others while swimming. Secondly, wear a mask when you are not in the water. Also, keep your hands clean and stay home if you are not well. Myth number 6. Hospitalization is compulsory if tested positive for COVID-19. Fact. All cases of COVID-19 do not require hospitalization. Mild or asymptomatic cases can be managed and treated at home with doctor's consultation. Serious or severely ill patients require hospitalization. Myth number 7. High temperature or hot weather can protect you from coronavirus. Fact. Change in temperature does not have any effect on coronavirus. The coronavirus had spread to the countries having high as well as low temperatures. In fact, countries with hot weather have reported a high number of COVID cases. According to the World Health Organization, weather conditions cannot stop the coronavirus from transmission. These are few myths which are spreading across the country. Please do not believe them and follow all the safety precautions. Wearing a mask, maintaining social distancing, and washing your hands frequently are few safety precautions to be followed by everyone. Be safe and take good care of yourself. See you soon in another video. Thank you.